We're having fun. And I think it seems like a fun film also. Kareeb Single. Now I'll start with you, Irfan sir. You wanted to do this film to prove a point that you could do the romantic comic genre. So have you managed to succeed?
No, I was never trying to prove that I could do comic genre, and I never knew that it's a romantic film. I knew that it was a sweet relationship story, but romance, because she came, so the romance थोड़ा जागृत हो गया, तो पूरी फिल्म के अंदर फैल गया है. I'll still not say कि it's a romantic film because let people say what they want to say, because I don't want to bracket it in what happens, the films which we do, they don't fit into a particular kind of formula. So you still wonder what it is. There's something which pulled you. There's something which you wanted to do it, but I don't look for definitions. कि ये क्या है, comedy है, फलाना है, दिमाग का है.
And the title intrigued me. Kareeb Single, online dating. So as we were discussing, a lifetime of happiness or unhappiness is just a click away. And also gives you the option, if you don't like it, delete it. Dump it in the recycle bin. And sometimes even buffering takes very long. So what's your take on online dating? Would you do it if given the opportunity? Sir, आपका तो number कट गया. आपको तो lifetime of happiness मिल गया.
Yeah, no, still I try. Keep trying.
Still I try.
Happiness मेरी पूरी होती नहीं है. मतलब मेरी कुछ ज़्यादा demand है happiness. So I look for ways. But ये app जो है वो उसमें we can't do it because आपका known face है तो. So I'm still looking for some medium.
Celebrity app.
Celebrity
dating app would be very ideal.
And I think the wife is listening. She's also the producer. You should be a little scared of that.
Yeah, I have announced it through this film. Kareeb Single.
No, but seriously, what's your take? What made you decide to do a movie on online dating? Because these days, this is the only way. Those days are gone where parents and the grandparents or families introduced people. Nobody has the time. I've seen phones that have more dating apps than they have other apps,
Yes. It's not exactly about online dating. It is one of the means by which these two people meet. So it's placed in its rightful position in society, which is that it's a useful thing. But it isn't the be-all and end-all of relationships. If only it was the highway to happiness, But the online thing is just a way to try and maybe find a companion in the world. But I have to say that even though you say that it's just a click away and then there's kind of you delete it, heartbreak isn't easy ever. And I imagine even people who use online dating and use that sort of sahuliyat for themselves in their lives, I do think that they still shed tears and they still feel sad and when they break up. So human emotions don't change. Just our lives change a little bit.
Connection jab hang ho jata hai. But it's scary. That I was hearing about their movies where people fall in love with this cyborg and things they have created on the computer. Do you actually sometimes feel we're living in very scary times?
Every time has been scary. We have a tendency to be afraid of the future, and we see where where the society's whole stream, which direction is going. It is scary, but then you want to believe in something which is that something will come up and will pass through but we have created a kind of atmosphere where the species itself is seeming like a cancerous cell to the whole planet.
Wow.
Let's not go there.
You're a young girl, so is online dating an option?
No, I'm a 60-year-old in my head and heart.
But now the 60-year-olds
also are doing it. They're surpassing me. No,
You've got websites for the 60 and above also.
They do, and I'm very happy for them. And I have a feeling I got to know this gentleman through a friend, but we couldn't meet because he lives in another country. And we it was blind date. We got fixed through that. And for the few weeks we did speak, I felt the same emotions, the same, meeting for the first time, the jitters and the blushing and I still feel it when I think of our conversations. There's another thing that it did not work out because there was no way I could leave my country and go and, the logistics of it. But I realized that there is nothing, if anything, it's a bit more, I feel a bit more nervous about meeting somebody online.
I think I'm really straightforward and like forthright. When I meet a person, I can go and ask somebody out. I don't have any problem in that. But when it's online, there is, I don't know, I become quite inward. But my one experience, probably not through a dating website, but something through online, that whole world, it was as real as meeting a person in real life. Yeah.
Who had thought that you would actually get a husband or a wife?
Yeah.
It's just a click away, like everything. But that's also sometimes does make you, and also people have actually mastered the art of getting to know people. Instead of meeting as friends, you now meet a person with that thing in mind, like, is it this a perspective or not? Do you think relationships these days are also, like, shelf life is not very long because shift, alt, delete?
ऐसा है क्या?
नहीं, अगर है तो क्या दिक्कत है उसमें? This is a facility. It's a great facility कि आपको कम से कम मिलने का मौका मिल रहा है. पहले आप इतने ज़्यादा अपने अंदर ही घुटे रहते थे कि कोई तरीका ही नहीं है किसी से बात करने का या अपने को ये बताने का कि आई एम अप्रोचेबल और आई नीड समवन टू एटलीस्ट इंटरैक्ट और व्हाटएवर. अभी देखते हैं आप ना, कई बार कुछ लोग 2-3 रिलेशनशिप्स में पैरेलल होते हैं. तो दिस इज इट्स अ प्रोसेस, लेट देम गो थ्रू इट. व्हाट आर वी ट्राइंग टू सेव? पहले भी तो जो कहानी किस्से में ही है ना, जो भी आइडियलिज्म है, जो रिश्ता इज अ केमिस्ट्री. इफ इट हैपेंस ना तो उसको शादी उसको डिसाइड कर सकती है कि शादी हो गई तो नाउ हैप्पीनेस मिल गई और नहीं हुई तो नहीं मिली. इट्स अ chemistry. If it happens, it happens.
So earlier they used to say, if relationships work or don't work, it's the fault in our stars. In this case, you can say the fault in our connection.
Probably. But I just completely dig how we have this thing with Jeene Marne Wali love story nahi hai. So we've already taken the pressure off. Like we don't need to prove to each other ki we are going to be the next Romeo Juliet or whoever. So we can now love freely. So that is something that we do wish to have.
And also the theme of the journey is very crucial to the film. So do you relate to your character's journey, Yogi's journey, and your journey as an actor? Is it similar?
Oh, I haven't seen that like that. Okay. Yeah, journey is journey. If journey takes you to a better place or a better understanding of yourself, I think that's a worthwhile journey. And my journey as an actor has been to know myself, and that has been the greatest, pleasure. I could come back again in this planet and choose to be actor just because of this fact that it allows me to investigate and to look at myself and my surroundings and just investigate everything and get fascinated by it. And Yogi's journey, Yogi has certain things which I don't have, and there are certain things which are similar. It's kind of the way he deals with past. I have a similar kind of approach, but his sense of humor, I couldn't identify with it at all, which took me a lot of time. Okay, what kind of humor is that?
What's your sense of your brand of humor?
Yeah, I'm happy that I had some sense of humor where I have to work towards. I don't want to keep on bringing my sense of humor again.
So was it liberating to play with Yogi?
It was tough to really connect to him. I couldn't figure out what kind of person he is. It took time. There were certain elements which are fascinating. The way he treats a woman. Yeah, that's fascinating.
And also, Parvati, if you see Irfan's movies, the women are very, very strong in his movies, and most of the time they're all fresh faces. So when it's also your debut Hindi film, were you a little scared to share screen space with him, or were you just cool?
I wasn't cool. I was excited. I was thrilled because I always say this, for an actor to get a generous co-actor as partner in creating this form of art, half your work is done by them. So I was like relaxed. All I needed to do was just meet him halfway, and he was so generously giving me everything that he has experienced as an actor, challenging me. The amount, I thought I asked questions, but he does. He questions everything, and not in a way to challenge you and like poke you and prick you, but in a way to arouse your interest in more. Why don't you delve deeper? Have you thought of the things that are not obvious? So I thoroughly enjoyed that process, and I kind of felt that's quite a rarity in the industry to find an actor who happens to be a star, who doesn't bring that to the table. He is somebody who, I saw him, I've never seen him without the script or the scene paper with him on set. Is always there with it, even when he's sitting alone or we are waiting for the shot.
Because I'm dumb. I take time to remember my lines.
It's wonderful to see that here's an actor who starts from the scratch, is not afraid of taking so many different routes to come to the final space, and that really is very comforting to know, because most of the time they don't show their vulnerable sides. Actors, they try to just sort of hide all their efforts behind the door and come very confidently in front of you and like, what are you made of? So he is really real for me, and that helped.
Irfan, you had once said, like, with Pan Singh Tomar, you had struggled to find a producer, and then the movie, critically acclaimed, national award. And also now with movies like Hindi medium, they've changed, what should I say, वैसे ना हवा का रुख बदल गया है, and suddenly the big budget, those star-driven vehicles, the so-called mega star-driven vehicles, are not what's doing well. You think somewhere the audience has matured, but also the distributors and the producers also have realized that are willing to take that risk.
I've been saying this for many years, that audience is maturing and they will demand more and more. They will demand. You cannot just give them one element and they will be happy, because they are exposed to so many different kind of storytelling now. So they need more stuff. They need the original stuff. They need where they could relate to. Even if it's a blockbuster film, they need world-class kind of level. So that has forced the industry to change. But we still need sensible producers who have some understanding of story.
Absolutely.
Otherwise, what happens? They're blank. जैसे यार कुछ भी चल रहा है,
हाँ, सही में
अलग हटके चीजें चल रही हैं तो अलग हटके यही फिल्म इसमें लगा दो पैसा. So that approach will never make it grow.
Are you scared somewhere like movies like Hindi medium, Bareilly Ki Barfi? These are the kind of films that have done well. Do you think everybody is going to fall into that trap that these are the movies?
They become formula, like अरे हिंदी बेल्ट का चल रहा है तो चलो हिंदी बेल्ट का लिखो.
Or small town, that has become a fad, no? Small town stories.
Yeah, small town stories.
So that doesn't that doesn't help. But or कुछ हैं producer, they have an understanding of subject. Do you know? They have understanding of subjects, so they are understanding what is changing. It's not कि कुछ भी देख सकती है ऑडियंस. हमारी ऑडियंस थिंकिंग के लिए रेडी नहीं है, और वो होगी भी नहीं शायद. कि अगर कोई फिल्म उनको it's making them think and not giving them an emotional experience, they are not ready for it, and they won't be ready for many years. So as a producer, it's a very it's a producer's job to find the right story which can give them a layering in the story and also the experience which you are looking for.
The Hollywood's can of worms that has just opened, and Priyanka Chopra said there's not a Harvey Weinstein. There are many Harvey Weinsteins. What would you say about this? I mean, I'm sure it is in the industry too, because a lot of people say it happens, but it's not happened with me. So, I mean, both of you actors, should I just be point blank and ask, have you ever been asked to compromise for a role?
Yes.
Yes.
Well, that's
See, ये अभी आप जो इसकी बात कर रही हैं ना, it's happening, but then it becomes a blind kind of बहाव. उसमें सब उठ के अपना झंडा उठा रहे हैं, सबको एक कलर में पेंट कर दे रहे हैं. अच्छा ये भी था, अरे ये भी था, अरे now it's become a crowd mentality. If something that kind of what Harvey के बारे में जिस तरह से description आया है, if somebody is really being so obnoxious, where the sex is concerned, it is something which is you can't give the words. It's the most heinous thing to do, and the girl should come out and say it. But abhi now it has become like अरे ये भी था वो भी था वो भी था, एंड सबको एक ही. मैंने कहीं फेसबुक में somebody was writing अरे ये भी है फलाना भी है ढिमाका भी है, तो सबको एक ही कलर से आपने पेंट कर दिया. किसके साथ क्या इंसिडेंस हुआ होगा. अब इसमें क्या होता है, मैंने किसी को प्रपोज किया, सामने वही लड़की जाके बोल दे कि ये तो मुझे हैरेस कर रहे थे, and that becomes an issue, then you are also in the line. So I'm saying it has its own dimensions. to
But
it.
do you feel in our industry people will actually stand up and say, yes, it's happened with me too? Or
If
do you
इस
think-
तरह का atmosphere बनता है तो I think they will say, I don't know.
See, that's the problem is I would say कि women in general in our country haven't been given a space to think that it is, there's a lot of victim shaming and a lot of stigma just applied to the victim or the survivor, as I would love to call them, and myself. So the thing is that the whole #MeToo campaign, it wasn't, the intention I felt personally was not about pointing fingers and getting everybody, black marked. But it's the fact that there was a sisterhood created, saying that it's not just you, just in case you were told that it was just you and that it was your fault. It's not just you, it has happened to me too. So there is suddenly a certain sense of comfort in knowing that, okay, sirf mere saath nahi hua hai ye. Which is why I was actively a part of that campaign, and I got a lot of messages and mails from people I didn't
And
know.
you said in the Malayalam industry, the casting couch exists.
I would say that it was just not Malayalam industry. I have friends in all industries, and I have friends in industries like corporate industries everywhere. See, exploitation of people in the name of gender, be it men, women, transgenders, has been happening from the time I can remember that, and it's not something that is just suddenly sprouted. It's just that the talk about it has started now, and it's a very volatile space. But I would rather have the talk start than
Yeah,
the
sure.
silence brood and it will implode at one point. Time again has shown us that our world is such that change will happen when after a point nature can't take it, there will be disasters. So now is the time for us to be very careful, because it's not a campaign against men. It's not about just saying that you all are wrong, It's about giving strength to those who have gone through it and giving them a legal, psychological support in how do we now tackle, how do we now make your life better.
But as you said, even in the industry, and as you said, I mean, both of you said that you have been asked to compromise for a role. You've now reached a point that nobody even dare come up.
No,
And
no, that's wrong actually. I still feel at any point we can be stopped. And I don't think there is a rose army like there in Hollywood right now. I don't think if I say, and I know if there's one person, and I know that person who's done that to me, and I know there are 5 other women who've agreed with me that they've also gone through it.
Yeah.
If I stand up, they'll all run away. They will not stand by me. It's not
Why
the
do you
same.
think there's a fear
The stakes
factor?
are higher here. We don't have the benefits that actresses in other industries, especially in Hollywood, have. We don't have that kind of a certain insurance about our own jobs here. So we are all, and I confess, I am scared too. I would like to know and get to a point where we have the sort of legal system. We have to change so many things about our law system. And I think we need to first find ways to have better solutions starting from scratch before we, it's like पैर रखने से पहले देख भी ले कि वहाँ ज़मीन है कि नहीं.
Yeah.
ज़मीन create करेंगे उसके बाद हम देखेंगे. It's not about really not thinking and acting on it anymore. It's really about knowing where you're going with it.
But at least there is a kind of a signal or suggestion that there's nothing wrong if you come out
Yeah.
and say. At
Which
least
is
in
what
this kind
we
of
want.
atmosphere.
Yeah.
This-
Ifansa, do you think it's going to take time here?
I think, see, abhi ye
Whether men or women.
as far as man women are concerned, it can happen. But whistleblowing is something which is not entertained anywhere in the world. True. If you see political whistleblowers, they cannot even live in their
In
country.
Hollywood, it's happened, and it's amazing how they're standing together.
Yeah. In our country, whistleblowing, I don't know. You tell me.
I'll say one thing, that because you are talking about the film industry, but women don't have equality institutionally, economically, legally in the world. So first address that. That itself will take care of this. So I mean, the problem is far bigger. So it will take time. It will take forever.
Yeah. And if the society is sexually suppressed, it is bound to happen. जिसका बस पड़ेगा,
Same.
जिसका जो बस पड़ेगा वो करे.
Dreams versus destiny.
Versus
Dream or destiny? What's your take? Which one do you side with? Do you believe in
dream,
dreams or
definitely.
destiny?
Dream for sure.
Is your approach choosing Hollywood roles different from your approach when you choose films here?
Yes.
In what way?
I don't see whether it's a lead role or not in Hollywood, because I look for experience. Here you look for your stature, your power to choose other stories, because I survive here, I don't survive there. That's a luxury for me.
But you're one of the most successful crossover artists.
Yeah, because I don't live there, and I'm invited to live there, and they say that you should continue your career there, and so, but it's for me it's like जब मेरा मन करेगा जो मुझे दिखेगी ठीक फिल्म में तब जाऊंगा and करूंगा. I don't need to depend, on Hollywood industry.
Also, you're going to touch 50. I know age is just a number, but any goal for the big golden milestone?
No. This is not a milestone.
He's the
No
Benjamin
age is a
Button of our industry, just in
milestone.
case you didn't notice, it's the other way.
So if you weren't an actor, you would have been?
Sportsman or nothing.
And if you were to write a biography, what would it be called?
I will never write it.
So we can't expect a tell-all book from you.
No. Why? There's so much. Why do you need another book? I mean, there's so many books, and why? It's a very boring thing to write about yourself. ये interview देना भारी पड़ जाते हैं मुझे.
A life quote that you live by. Quote.
Yeah. मुझे सुबह ही पता चला कि you should be thankful to your inner organs because in order that they don't itch.
Oh my God. Wow. I would say inner organs should keep on itching. That keeps you going.
Absolutely. And I know Tanuja
What
lastly.
would you do अगर आपको खुद ही जलने लगे लीवर में?
And Tanuja,
Suffering. Life is suffering.
and honestly, lastly, Tanuja,
Yeah.
I last met you when we did Sangharsh.
Yes.
इतना time क्यों लग गया to come करीब and फिर भी single?
अरे,
मुझे
let me-
मेरा मैच्योर होने का वेट कर रही थी.
No, let me tell you honestly, a director's work is not just between action and cut. It starts 2 to 3 years at least before
नहीं तो
the
बहुत
film is
ज़्यादा
made.
time ही लग गया
नहीं
story
तो
को लेकर.
this movie we started writing 3 years ago.
शादी.com के ज़माने से Tinder तक आपने पूरा बताया.
And then of course he took his while to say yes. So no, it takes time, believe me. And even before that, I was writing. A couple movies actually almost reached the production stage, but they didn't get made. But those scripts are there; they will be made. So I was at it. It's not like I'd gone on a sabbatical or something.
ऐसा तो नहीं था पास को बिल्कुल धो देना चाहती है तुम.
क्या? नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं.
It was great talking to all of you. All the very best. So,
Thank you.